Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'll walk you through setting up a secure V2ray connection using the V2ray ANG app. This setup will help you protect your online privacy and enjoy safer browsing. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store and search for the V2ray ANG app. Download and install it on your phone. Next, you'll need to create a V2ray account. Open Chrome or any reliable search engine and search for UDP Custom. Select the official UDP Custom website. Once on the website, click the menu button and choose the V2ray Servers option. Then select Free V2ray Servers. Fill in a username and complete the I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA verification. Click on Create V2ray Server to generate your server. You'll see a list of different configurations. Choose the V2ray config that best suits your needs. Tap Copy to automatically copy your preferred V2ray account details. Now, launch the V2ray ANG app. Tap the plus button to add a new configuration. Select Import from Clipboard to paste the copied account details. Tap the newly imported configuration to select it. If needed, you can edit the config by tapping the pencil icon. For example, update the address field with a working server name indication SNI for your country, then save your changes. Finally, tap Connect to establish your secure VPN connection. And that's all. You're now protected with V2ray ANG for enhanced online security and privacy. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and join our Telegram and WhatsApp channels. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching.